therapy, that would be probably mostly utilized because it could be superior than anything else. Other two gene therapy program by another small company, GeoNext. Also, it's all viral factor they're using, and Region X Bio, it's another company. So I'm aware only 3 companies primarily involved in gene therapy development. But if it's approved, you could imagine it will be one-time therapy, and of course it will be $1 million price for each of these one-time therapies. So certainly it can be a huge competitor on what pharma companies doing with other less curable approaches.
Sure. Extremely interesting, extremely valuable. Also a bit wary of our time, so maybe a final question from my end. What does a typical deal look like in the Alzheimer's space in terms of the overall size of the deals that you've observed? Are they mostly backloaded, meaning are most payments triggered by certain milestones, or are there some decent upfronts as well? Could you give us a bit of an idea of what you've observed?
Yes, so I would say it's after all these recent failures, field of Alzheimer's disease was completely more kind of careful in terms of companies like more co-development approach when they can de-risk program and have kind of small investment and share risk between two organizations until some milestone. For example, if compound was discovery phase, you kind of work together, monitor until they get first proof of concept in human, or if it's a phase 1B, go to phase 2, phase 3, etc. So this kind of de-risking approach, what I observe, big pharma would buy compounds which are well known, established proof of concept, like past good phase 2 results, or on the like interim analysis in the middle of phase 3, or completed phase 3, or submitted phase 3. That would be appetite for big pharma company for acquisition, because money is not issue for them. They can pay premium price for certainty, and they like 90% degree of certainty. A small biotech company actually willing to take a risk. And if you look on those small biotech companies under 100 people, they actually buy less characterized compounds sometimes from university. Majority of acquisitions I saw from small biotech from universities, from different labs, different way of characterization, and they use this opportunity to generate revenue in terms of getting funding through private donation, and then when company become APO and public, and this is how they can kind of generate trust and deliver different milestones and build a program and then sell this product to big pharma. So this is what typically I see. There is no kind of particular interest in terms of therapeutical area. If you look on companies, and let me give you another interesting trend I see. Some generic company now building branded divisions, in particular active Indian company, they all now building branding divisions, and those companies want to see kind of quicker proof of concept using 505(b)(2) and mostly focusing on kind of symptom reducing small molecules. And in terms of other mechanism, pharma looking for only two, and from amyloid kind of targeted more on tau targeted, or both amyloid and tau targeted, and also on immunotherapy for disease modification. And majority of those disease modifiers are biologics. So this is what I observe in terms of